Our cabinets install may have been off to a slow start, but now we are gaining momentum.
That one is the that.
And with that last standard base cabinet in, we can now move on to the uppers.
Ready?
See what we got. We get one
This,
here.
I don't get one here at all.
Okay.
So maybe if we cut something off of here.
It'll shift everything left.
This way.
Like
Just
leave
that
the circle?
whole- Yeah, leave the circle.
Okay.
That's good. That's so cute. It's not gonna line up. Not gonna line up. Maybe I switch jobs.
Okay.
Wow. Come on. Are you on?
Yeah.
Push her down. Get out the way. Get out the way, Dad. Push it. Look at that. Whole
The height.
It's too hot
Only this shelf is usable.
You can see what's like. We do want to win the 30s. Those 40s, I mean.
40s, yeah.
Would have been right there. Roughly would have had. Oh, that's a 14-inch, which is standard.
Mm-hmm.
You could have went with 10 more inches.
Space. About 9 inches.
Yeah.
Which is the same as that, which is I think what we're going on.
Yeah.
Something didn't seem quite right, but I couldn't exactly put my finger on what it was. Turns out that I had planned for the uppers to top align with the window.
Little mini peanut butter bar.
Yeah. And so mounting it close to the ceiling threw off everything.
I'm standing right for the camera.
Yeah, keep going.
Well, let's put it up there and then measure how low we need to go.
How low do you go? How low do we go?
Okay, you go that much lower at least, which is how low? 8 inches.
Yep.
Okay.
So if we went 8 inches.
Gonna mark down. So 8 inches to the top, the bottom. So how far down do we need to move the rail?
In line with that window.
Okay. So should I shoot the laser to the top of the window?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Whoopsie. My big ass.
Not barely going. Ready?
Yeah.
wall entry. Take care of our pretty wall. Come on, you hungry? Come and go. All right, everybody come in. No, you stay out. You scary? No. Yeah, I like that way. Yeah. And we can reach everything now.
Yeah.
So overwhelmed. I do like the idea of having the tile because it'll look cool.
Okay.
So it needs to mount here, so 30 inches. Okay, so we just need to cut her out and then put this up.
All right.
Yes, remember, have no holes but mine.
Of course.
It's fine. You good?
Yep.
I'm gonna have to go buy some more anchors. Not more shit. Yeah. I like how they said that they're gonna cut those into manageable pieces.
Right. Manageable by whom?
Where's this camera? That we're not gonna use the big for.
Somehow. I bet it does go in there somehow, and that we can use it, but I don't remember how.
There is no way. This way?
Yep.
You want to go this way?
Yep.
Step over that, trip over that. Ready? Yep. I think there's supposed to be a spacer on this side. So do a long mark there. So if we do 24 3/4, it'd be the end of the fridge would be here. We do 25, the end of the fridge would be there. So if we do 84, that's the bottom of the legs. That's the fair minimum. So I think we should put the railing at 84 and a half, that way we can stretch it out.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Like, because these can grow.
Right.
That's where the thing should be right there, yeah? Yeah. Alright, that's Phillips somewhere in this house.
What are you looking for?
Phillips screwdriver.
Yeah, I was just using it to put furniture together.
Oh my god, I literally was just like, where's the Phillips? Shocking if you don't listen.
Sometimes you talk to yourself a lot, so I never know exactly who you're talking to.
Oh, sheep! Oh, sheep! Really good for right now. Please. Why are you so on your back?
Oh well.
Oh God. Hold on a second. Alright, I'm ready. Go. I'm on. I have no idea if I am. You're on. Okay. Well, worried about still on here. Yeah. Almost 5. Let's try to move it over and see what it looks like we're lining up directly with the wood. Okay. Come on, come on.
And that is about it for cabinet assembly and placement. Next up, we're doing fillers, cover panels, custom doors, and finishes.